this break-in game. And who remembers this game? We used to play it so many times, guys. Do you remember the nostalgia of this game? But this stupid guy doesn't know it. This guy doesn't know the nostalgic of this game. He sucks. Okay, we're gonna go in this van. Come, bro. Come in here. Come in this truck. Hurry up.
I'm joining. Bro, I'm joining.
Okay.
I just joined.
Okay.
I
Don't.
want to sit with you.
No, you can't. Oh, leave. No. You went and walked out without me. You're stupid. You stupid. Guys, we are back, but this time he is an adult, which is totally not true in real life. I am much more bigger and taller than him in real life. You suck. Okay, guys, we are here now. We are inside the house. Where are you? We got LeBron James.
What?
LeBron James. You search in these drawers for food. Search in the drawers for food. Search in the drawers for food. Search in the drawers for food.
I got an apple.
Keep searching. There is more food. You need food to regenerate your energy. Save the food also. Come in the basement. There is a drawer too. There is a cookie there.
Where is basement?
Here.
Where is the basement?
Open these. There is a cookie there. Go in the second floor.
I can't touch it.
Second floor has some stuff too. Wait. Okay, nothing there. Okay, guys, we're gonna try to get the original ending because that is the easiest one. Oh, come sleep in the blue room. I am in the blue room. I'm sleeping there.
I don't have.
Yes, you're in the blue room. You're in the blue room too. Search the drawers. Also in the bathroom there is a soda in the bathroom and unlimited toilet paper. Yo, LeBron James.
My king.
Yo, shut up.
LeBron James, my king. Oh, why are we at the green room? Don't sleep here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Get the cola in the
Where is the cola?
bathroom. Wait,
Where
unlimited
is the back?
toilet paper. Here.
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 Where is Coca-Cola, bro?
Here.
Oh, bro, that's Bloxy.
Yeah, Bloxy cola.
Like Soxy Cola.
Pink room has money and apple.
Where is the apple?
In the door. Ooh, there's a money and cookie there.
Where is money?
In the drawer.
Money in the drawer. I got money and apple.
I have $40. Look, I can swing my sword at you.
I have $10.
I have 40.
Hey.
Save your food, okay? Save your food.
Bro, I got cookie and money.
Save. That's enough. Now we're gonna eat some pizza.
Pizza.
Take a seat at the dinner table. Come over
Come
here.
in.
Oh my god. I'm sitting over here.
And here. Bro, hey, where's our pizza?
But it's gonna come. Are you impatient piece of Oh, someone is at the door. Let's go, guys. Open.
I'm going to answer
Open this door.
Open.
Pratham shooter, open the door. It's a pizza man.
Yes.
Yes.
I know.
Let's go at the dinner table. Let's eat the pizza there. Let's go.
I know some masked guys
Bro.
will come.
Bro, look at this pizza.
Shut up.
Bro, look at mine.
Look at mine.
You
Oh my God.
I got a small boy. Bro.
Bro, you are.
Eat the pizza. Eat the pizza. Eat the pizza.
I'm not eating. I'm eating an apple because
Okay.
I have two and a cookie.
Don't.
Oh.
Save the Bloxy cola. Bloxy cola is very useful.
I know.
Breaking
What happened to
news.
these lights, bro?
Breaking news live in 27 seconds. Let's sit.
Oh,
Let's sit. I'm sitting over
Let's
here.
sit, bro. I'm sitting over here.
Okay. Wait. Move. Swing, sing, 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 sing.
Sing, 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 sing.
But there's an Israel guy over here, and LeBron James next to that bowl cut and a dog.
It's LeBron James, my king. Oh.
Don't skip, don't skip, don't skip. You didn't even see it. Bruh. Okay, go back to bed. Let's go to sleep.
No, I know. Some masked guys come at the night and from the window and they will try to kill us.
Okay, I'm sleeping.
I just saw Fulton playing this.
I watched the OG people play it, not Fulton, bro.
Bro, Fulton is the OG.
Nah, I have watched more OG people play it, like Think Noodles, Chip plays Roblox, and wo stuff, and lad stuff.
Bro,
Okay. I'm sorry, guys.
Indian accent
Sorry if my Indian accent slips out, so it's time to sleep, guys. Ah! What? Oh my god! Help! 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 Take out your bat! Take out your bat! Shoot him! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
You shit.
Die,
You
stupid.
shit.
Die, stupid! You suck! You suck!
You
You
shit.
suck,
You
boy!
bullshit.
You
You
suck!
bullshit.
You suck! Okay, guys. Okay. We just woke up.
guys, this
I woke up from a dream. Oh my god, guys! I got a scratch. I got a scratch on my face. Okay, let's go. Blue room was attacked. Everyone survived.
I have to get some
Boo! Let's board up our window.
planks.
Let's board up our window. I'm gonna fix our window. Boom, 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 boom. I did
And
it.
then
I'm gonna go board up the toilet. I'm gonna board up the toilet. I did it.
okay.
I boarded up the toilet.
I got some planks.
Okay.
Bro, I
Every
got some
room,
extra planks.
every room upstairs is boarded up. Let's go down now.
Okay, bro.
Boom.
Bro, lock the door.
Boom, 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 boom.
Bro, we are adults.
Yeah.
We are adults. Yo, kiddo. That's not
Board,
your
board,
work.
board, 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 board. That
Yo,
stupid
kiddo.
kid.
That's not your work.
Someone turned on the basement lights.
Bro, don't go to the basement. Don't
I know.
go to the
I
basement.
know.
There are some masked
Bro,
guys.
I'm not stupid. I'm not stupid. I played this game 16 times.
Okay.
Okay.
Bro, why?
I'm gonna board up the toilet a bit more, so you know why. I can't do that.
Oh, personal. I know, yo. That's personal.
Personal. I'm gonna board up the toilet.
Bro, I
more.
got the pizza.
I'm making sure everyone poops their pants.
No, shut up. I just...
Boom. Let me do it.
Bro,
Here.
everything is
Is everything boarded up?
everywhere.
Yes, everything is
No,
done.
bro.
Everything is done.
Bro, wait.
What?
Nothing. Pizza.
Where? You stupid.
Bro.
Oh, there's Mr. Snuggle Wuggle. Don't mind him. She's a mean cat. I did the most work. Oh yeah, I did the most work. I did the most work. You suck.
You suck.
Okay guys, I'm gonna try to find the safe by moving these pictures. Is it here? No. About inside. There are 3 slices of pizza left over.
I'm going to get the pizza. I'm going to get the pizza. I'm going to get the pizza.
I'm gonna get the pizza. Holy mamma mia! Someone opened the safe. There's a pile of money inside. Got money. You got money. Oh, someone turned on the basement light. Someone turned on the basement light. We can go down.
Oh, bro, I'm getting
I got the pizza. I got the pizza.
I didn't get a pizza.
Yes, I got the pizza. Oh, help me. Help, I'm stuck. Okay.
Where are you, bro?
I was
Which
stuck.
pizza? Which size of pizza?
I got a normal. Oh, what
Bro,
the?
I got a big one.
Oh my god.
Just eat my
They're outside. Oh my god.
outside. The mask plants. Bro, I can see the outside by doing the X-ray.
You.
There's lots of marksmen.
They're out. Let's go back. Let's go back.
I can see them.
Let's go back. I'm going back here. Okay. I am sleeping over here. Oh. Guys, they forgot to board up. We even forgot to board up our left side of the window, bruh. They're gonna break in. We stupid. You guys, let's see. Oh, they can. Yeah, we stupid. Why? We stupid. Oh my god. Let's fight. Go fight back. 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 Yeah, you suck. You suck, boy. You suck. I'm sleeping. Shut up. Okay, guys, we just woke up. Broke this door. The blue room was attacked last night. Everyone survived. Yeah. Do you got any pizza left? The pink room was attacked last night. Whoa! Broken window. Broken window.
Bro, I'm going outside. I can't go outside, bro.
There's a broken window. Let's. Can we?
Go outside.
We can go to the basement. Oh no. What's happening? I think someone is down there.
Don't go, bro.
Split truck has discovered a broken window. I think the basement door has been left open. I think a bad guy is still down there.
Bro, I'm going down.
No, don't. Let's hide. I'm hiding over here.
I'm coming.
Hide, Jeremy! Hurry up! Okay, don't jump. If you jump, you're dead. Don't jump.
Okay.
Don't move. If you move, you're dead. Oh,
Okay.
someone died. Oh, someone died. Oh my god, people are dying. Hide, you stupid. Oh my god, Blake is gonna die. Blake. Oh no, he's not. He's alive. Oh my.
Play.
There's a cat picture in front of us.
Yeah, and someone is clicking.
It's moving.
Bro, who is screaming?
Oh, it's him.
Oh
It's a scary
oh
leg.
shit. He's him. Bro, he just jumped. Oh shit. Oh shit.
He cooked.
Oh shit.
He cooked. Don't jump. They cooked. Wait. No, don't jump. Okay, let's go. Run to the basement. Let's go. Oh, bruh. Pepperoni has died. Hey, Abhi, come. Is anyone left? Come here. Low area, sea jam, egg-shy shell. Come. Let's go. Close the door.
One at the basement.
Oh, there's food. Let's get some food. There's food here.
I got food. I got rocket. Bro, I don't got a rocket. I'm just fixing.
Oh, another apple.
Oh, apple.
Anything else? Oh, there's money.
There's the money.
I found money. I
got
have
the money.
90
I got
bucks.
70 bucks.
I have 90 bucks.
I have 70 bucks.
Okay.
Bro, why we want ladder for?
Okay. Don't open that door. Don't open it. Don't.
I'm going to open it.
No.
Open it.
Don't. It's gonna. Oh, that's why I said don't open it. Now they know we are hiding in here. You stupid. I told you to not open the door.
Wait, I'm just running. Wait, I'm hiding here and running.
Well, let's come here. We're gonna kill them.
Yeah.
Oh shit!
Why are you doing
Die, boy.
this? Oh shit.
Die, boy.
Take this.
Yeah, well, die, boy. Eat.
Oh, I'm kicking at the door.
Die, boy. Die. Maza.
Boy.
Yes, he died.
Bro, your Indian
Sorry,
accent
guys.
just slipped out.
Okay. Dropped a padlock. Okay. Now it's locked. Let's sleep now.
Oh, bro, I want to sleep.
I'm gonna take red bed because red is the best. Get out.
Pile of money.
Bro, come sleep. There's beds.
Okay, I'm coming.
I'm sleeping. I'm sleeping in the red bed.
What is this?
No, the basement. Come in the basement. The basement had beds. The basement. Guys, guys, someone died. Oh. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, we are back. Okay, guys, we are back. Okay, guys, we are going outside to get some supplies from the grocery store. Oh.
Bro, I got 80 bucks. Bro, don't slip on the ice.
I know. I'm not stupid. I have totally
Yeah,
never
that's what I
fell on
do.
ice. I've totally never fell on a guy. I am so pro, guys. If you even fell on a ice, you're just a stupid little noob, guys.
Guys, he's
You saw nothing. You saw nothing. You you suck.
You saw nothing?
No.
one just saw thing.
Ooh, I'm gonna buy this. I bought a healing thing. I'm gonna buy
Cola.
cola. Okay, do you want me to heal you?
Bro,
Here.
now I have 0 bucks.
Wait, I healed you.
Oh, thank you, bro. Thank you. I still have a healing badge.
I heal myself.
I'm not healing myself. I'm saving it.
Okay. Oh,
Oh shit.
do you bought the red healing thing? The red one?
Yes.
You can't heal yourself with that. You can only heal other people.
Bro, why I can't heal myself?
I bought the one which can heal me, but it only had 3 uses, and I used 2 of them. Ooh, what are these guys doing? What is
They
this?
are seeing the aggro.
Uncle Pete. Crazy Uncle Pete wants one cookie, one apple. Nah, don't
Charlie.
do anything to that guy. We're gonna get the original ending. Bruh,
I'm not giving you more.
guys, I think we're gonna get the other ending because these guys are. What do you need to make? A cookie pie? You wanted a cookie pie? Huh? Hello?
Bro, what?
Did he want a cookie
Hello?
pie? Did he want a cookie pie?
Yes.
No, cookie pie. Yes, I have a cookie. I can make it.
I have a cookie too.
I did it.
Bro, I want a cookie pie.
Yes. Yes.
No, just give me.
Give it to Uncle Pete, that guy outside.
But why?
He's gonna give us a secret ending.
I'm just eating it.
Let's go. I'm giving it to Uncle
Bro,
Pete.
where is
Only take one, you greedy noob. Bruh. Here.
pie too?
Yes, he gave me a rat. He gave me a rat. For some reason.
Bro, I want a pie too.
I got a pet rat. Come here, give me the
I
key.
want.
Key.
I'm going to.
A nice home for a mouse. Okay. Come back. Ooh, I got a key.
I have ranch.
Ooh.
I want to get ranch. I want to rat.
Bro, the rat gave me a key. New ending unlocked. It says new ending unlocked.
Acha. Bro,
Okay, guys. Bye.
99 cents slipped out.
Guys, someone at the door. Someone's at the door. Let's open it.
Oh,
Guys, his Indian accent slipped out. Sorry. Jared opened the doors. The pizza delivery man. Bro, we know that's not
Guys.
you, bro. We know that's not you. Yeah, we know that's not you. No. Let's take the pizza from the kitchen. Take the pizza from the kitchen, then start hitting him. Take the pizza from the kitchen.
in the kitchen.
There's pizza in the kitchen. Yeah, I got
Where
it.
is pizza?
I got pizza. It's in the kitchen.
I got pizza too. I got 2 pizzas.
Wait, don't go. He's gonna spin. Run. When he stops spinning, then hit him. When he stops spinning. Stop. Okay, hit. Take that boy.
Die boy.
Ah!
Oh shit, run. Oh shit, guy.
He's big guy.
Oh shit.
Kill him. Oh shit.
Kill him.
Ooh. Come, hit. Da boy.
I'm coming.
Oh my god, he's coming. Oh my god. I'm hiding over here. Where is he? Come hit. He's low. Come hit. Kill him. Yeah.
Die.
Yeah, you suck, boy. You suck. Oh, okay, guys, we survived. Let's go to sleep. Come, let's sleep.
Bro, that's too much time.
Wait, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up,
Okay.
wake up, wake up.
Bro, I can't wake up. I can't wake up.
Did you get energy?
Yes, I got
Okay, 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 okay. Okay, now we're sleeping. We're gonna escape the house tomorrow. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, let's see if they came. Oh my god! Oh my god! Come, 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 come! Fight back! Fight back! Fight back! Fight back! Fight back!
You die.
Fight back!
You die.
Fight back!
No, I'm taking an apple. I'm taking an
Taba.
apple a day keeps doctor away. Got money. I got some bucks. Yeah. 20.
Here, bro. I gave you a health. I gave you health.
Bro, why did you give me health? I have too much food.
Bro, I don't have anything else to heal me. I cannot heal myself now. You can only heal me. Let's go.
Okay,
Final ending, final ending, final ending, final ending, final ending.
Final ending. I just did final ending.
Final ending, please, please, please. Yes, 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 yes. We got the final ending. We got the final ending. Okay. Alarm is going off. Let's check. Let's check it.
Bro, I'm eating. Bro, I'm gonna heal you when you go. Okay?
Okay, go into the truck. There's gonna be a truck over there, so we are gonna have to go inside there. Okay, let's go.
Your Indian accent just slipped out.
Oh shit, guys. Oh guys, he's scary Mary, scary Larry. Bro, how did he grow a mustache like that?
Bro,
Big ass. Scary Larry is coming this way. We need to escape now.
bro, I'm gonna kill him.
No, 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 no. Get in Uncle Pete's car. Yes, yes, yes. Go there, go there. Yes.
Bro, I'm eating an apple. An apple will take his doctor away.
It's in Uncle Pete's car. Let's go. Come, guys. Hurry up, come. Uncle Pete, come. Uncle Pete.
Where is that scary Larry?
Bruh, Morgan, come.
Where is scary Larry?
I don't know. Come, Uncle Pete.
Bro, he's very slow.
Uncle Pete, come.
He's not coming.
He's stupid. Guys,
I'm
what is
gonna
happening?
shoot him.
Guys, what is happening? Do I have to give him the key? I have it. Guys, don't. Oh, yes, 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 yes. We did it. 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 Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at us, guys.
Bro, I can see myself. I just take the bag out and I'm eating an apple and I'm drinking Bloxy Cola.
What? Oh, the cat. The cat.
Bro, where's the mouse?
I don't know. Scary Larry's house.
Bro, I just drink my Bloxy Cola. I just waste it.
What? We found Scary Larry's house. Let's check it out.
Yeah, bro.
Let's
Bro.
go.
I'm taking the bat out for the defense.
Oh my god. Look at his house.
Yeah.
He got Purge of the Year, Purge of the Year, Purge of the Year.
Yo, he's so rich.
That's rich. Bro
Bro,
got
I got here.
a cool looking chandelier.
Bro, why did you fall down?
There's a hole in the
I'm just
middle.
sitting here.
Can I break
I'm
this?
dancing. I'm dancing.
Can I break
I'm
this?
starting dancing, bro.
Can I break
I'm gonna
this?
dance.
Whoa.
Down.
Bro, even
Bro,
has an
I'm
outside
so-
area.
Bro, I dance. Bro, I dance.
This guy, rich.
Bro, I danced. Bro.
What?
Bro.
What?
Bro.
What?
I'm dancing.
I know, I can see you. I'm not deaf.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Da, boy.
Oh yeah. I'm shooting by dancing. Oh yeah.
Oh, I found a bomb. I found a bomb.
Where?
I found a
Where?
bomb. I ignited a bomb. We're dead, guys. I'm sorry. Let's break stuff we can in Scary Land Mansion. Yeah, we have to break Scary Larry's house with a crowbar. We have 2 minutes to do it.
I'm breaking the lantern.
Do it with a crowbar. You're gonna get a crowbar to break it.
Bro, I don't have any crowbar.
Okay.
Bro, I don't have any crowbar.
Did you get it now?
Where is the crowbar?
Oh yes, I got it. Let's break. Let's break. Let's break. Let's break his house. Let's break his house. Break his house.
Break.
Break his house.
Break. I'm breaking the lantern, bro, upside.
I'm breaking his pot. Oh guys, what is happening? We are breaking. Oh, bro got 100 billion blocks of cola. I'll break that.
100 billion blocks of cola.
Break that. It's over leaking. Break everything.
Bro, here is 100 billion blocks of cola. Where is it?
You can't get it. You can't get it. It's decoration. I'm breaking his flowers.
I'm
Get-
breaking the fridge with him.
I'm breaking this flower.
No, blocks of cola shower. Wow, blocks of cola shower.
Die, boy. Yes. Break this plant.
Die.
Break that.
Bro, I'm
We are about to
breaking-
reach
breaking
level 2.
everything.
We are about to reach level 2 of breaking his
Bro,
house.
we only have 1 minute. I'm breaking the chair too.
I'm breaking his window. Okay, guys.
Bro. I'm breaking the that.
I'm making his flowers. Oh my god, we can get the number 1. We can get gold medal.
No, here's too much stuff. Just come here.
I'm gonna break all of it.
Just come here.
We need gold medal. We need gold medal. We need gold medal. Oh, we don't have much time. We don't have much time.
Oh shit, not good. Oh shit, not good. Oh shit, not good.
I'm breaking his window. Yes, we can get gold medal. We can get gold medal.
Break windows, break. Bro, my battery is 5%. Break it.
Oh guys, we're so close. We're so close. We are almost about to get gold medal.
Guys, it's only 24 seconds. Break the.
Bro, we're so close. Just break one more stuff, then we get gold. Just that's one thing.
Guys. Only one thing.
Please break it.
Oh my god.
Okay, yeah, guys,
The fight is already break.
we're cooked. We're cooked. We can't break anything. 3,
Shit,
2.
bro.
Oh yeah, we were so close. But we did it. We did it.
We're so close to the gold medal. Oh shit.
But we did it. Item: pizza blocks, handle, cardboard box, open shelf. Oh.
I got pizza blocks too much. Pizza blocks.
Wow.
Why didn't I break them? Oh shit. I found them already. Why didn't I break them, bro?
Cause you suck.
Stand up.
You suck, boy.
And
You suck.
bro, shut up.
You suck. Oh.
Bro, shit. Kitty Larry is here.
No.
Bro, he's scared.
No.
Poor snake, Kitty Larry. Poor guy. Oh shit.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Thank you for playing. Breaking 2 is coming soon. That's it's already here. Cracky 4. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe.